welcome back to my channel. We are in full swing of Vlogmas and I'm doing a pack with me. This is kind of like pre-filmed because I've just been breaking up all of the vlogs that I normally do. So this is just kind of like a pack with me video. I'm packing for St. Louis and this is for Thanksgiving. So it's packed a few days, obviously before you're seeing it now. But I have a pack with me video that I filmed in the summer, but I figured I should do one for the winter too, since obviously I'm packing different things and this is not really like a vacation, so it's more like practical clothes. So I'll kind of do like step by step of how I pack. So first step is I kind of like get my rack kind of clear and empty. That's my rinse and runway that I have to send back. So I'll move that once I start adding things on. And then this is something new that I just picked up that I want to take with me. So first thing that I do is kind of just put items of clothing on my rack that I know I want to take or I want to wear. Like some may be just like new items. Some may just be like favorite items, or if I had any ideas in my head already. And then once I get like all of like my things I know I want to wear, I'll start putting together outfits using some like inspiration from Pinterest, or just like maybe outfits that I've like shared in videos but I haven't actually worn yet. So that's kind of how I pack. And then usually I would take into account what I'm going to do if it was like a typical just traveling anywhere. But since it's just for Thanksgiving, I'm not really going to be doing anything, or it'll just be like very casual things. Like we'll probably go like shopping on Black Friday with like my mom. And then, but it'll be mostly just like sitting around the house. I think we may go for drinks. This is technically my birthday weekend. My birthday is that Monday after Black Friday. And some of my friends are also in town. So we may like go out to dinner or go for drinks or something like that. So I want to take something kind of cute and maybe like something a little more dressy or festive. So yeah, those are kind of the only like itinerary type of things that I have planned. I need, you know, my Thanksgiving living room outfit, which I already have planned. So that's what you'll see next. I'm just gonna like start putting stuff on the rack. And then once I have outfits picked out, I'll start packing that up into the suitcase. And then I also like to organize all of my accessories and like lay all of those out, and then lay out all of my makeup to make sure I have everything I need. And toiletries and all that. I kind of prep everything just to make sure I have everything I need. Okay, so that's enough of me rambling. It's already been 3 minutes. Let's get into the video. It is day 2 of the packing video, travel video. I think all you saw so far is me, kind of my starting process, which is hanging everything on the rack. So we leave tonight, so we gotta wrap things up. It's 9 in the morning. I just made my coffee. Look at my cute little new mug, $1.99 at Burlington. Yeah. So now that step 1 is I put everything on the rack, things that like I have in new that I think I want to wear or take wherever I travel, and just outfits that I maybe like had randomly in my head. Now I am going to try everything on. This is a major key, so that when you get where you're going, you're not stressed about anything. You're not trying to put outfits together because they're already ready. So I'm going to try on everything on this rail in my mirror. I'll show you a couple of outfits. But I'm going to try everything on and then figure out all of the accessories I want with it. So try on the outfit, figure out what bag goes. Now, obviously, I'll try to keep it very minimal since I'm traveling, and try to make like a few bags work with everything, a few shoes work with everything. But I'll try on everything, whatever watch I want to wear, accessories, jewelry, all that stuff. And then once I have the whole outfit on, I will take that off and kind of like I kind of like stack it all on the floor with everything all together. And then I'll do that for every outfit, and I'll have a bunch of stacks at the end. And then I'll put that into the suitcase. But I need to see it all before I put it in the suitcase, just to make sure nothing gets left behind. And then after that, we'll pack up like toiletries and all that. My bathroom is a mess. Don't mind it. But then we'll pack up like toiletries, skincare, makeup, all that stuff. So let's get started with the try on. Okay, bye. Just saw me try on everything. Well, you didn't see everything, but I tried on everything. You saw a few clips, and then you saw how I kind of sit everything out on the floor just to make sure everything is together before I pack it into my suitcase. So I'm gonna get my suitcase out and just throw everything in there, but then I'm also gonna get my kind of toiletries together. I'm gonna get them together over here on my desk. So that's what we'll do next. That's what you'll see next, and then we'll start packing, and we're almost done. Yeah, hopefully this is helpful. Let me know if you want me to add anything like in the next one. Maybe we'll do like a spring one, but we'll get like makeup organized and together, skincare, feminine stuff, all that. And then we will pack, and then I'll figure out which carry-on I'm bringing. Usually whatever carry-on I bring, I just will put my laptop in there, and then any like bags that I'm taking, any valuables basically, I will keep on my carry-on. So let's go. finish off the travel video. Pack with me, not sure what the title is yet. But we are headed to the airport. It is 6. Our flight leaves at 8, so we're gonna leave in a little bit. Sorry if you can hear in the back, that suits. I'm trying to finish as much as possible. But I wanted to show you kind of like the finished product. So I'll show you my outfit. Basically, I'm wearing something for convenience, like all of the heavy stuff that I don't want to put in my luggage. My favorites are a sweater. I have on a slip skirt, and then I need it, and then my makeup. I know it's not valuable, but it kind of is, and I'd be lost without it. So I like to keep it on me. And that's pretty much it. And then I have my purse that I'm carrying. I'm carrying my little peekaboo with like my wallet and all that. So that is pretty much it. I'll show you my outfit in the mirror in my closet. Don't mind the mess. Obviously, packing gets messy, but this is my outfit. I'm wearing my little slip skirt, my Prada boots without the little packs, so it'll be easy through security to take them off. My favorite Zara sweater, and then my Balenciaga coat because it's super heavy. I don't have on any makeup because we're flying at night. When we get there, I'm just gonna go to sleep. And I usually just try not to wear makeup on flights, so I just have on my night oil and my eyeglasses so I can see where the hell I'm going. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.